So in this TradingView tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to remove something from your watch list here on the TradingView application. So the first thing you have to do is open up TradingView once that is done. As you can tell, in the bottom left here, I have my watch list selected. I have a whole bunch of different stuff. I have the S&P 500 index. I have a couple different stocks. I have a future. I have Bitcoin as a crypto. Basically, all my examples from previous videos are in front of me. Now, if you want to get rid of something or remove something from your watches, the simplest way is to go to your watches right here, slide on whatever. So I'll just do Apple stock, for instance. Swipe left right here. On the far right, there's that trash icon in the red. Press on that, and now it's removed, right? You can do the exact same thing to all of these if you want, just like this. Super simple, super straightforward. Once again, if I wanted to go to the top right here, press on the plus arrow, and I'll just add Tesla, for example, to the watch list for this demonstration. Let's say it was an accident or whatever, you don't want it in your watch list anymore. Simply just go to your watch list right here. So go to the bottom left, press on watch list, slide left, and then press on the trash can, and now it's removed. So super simple, super straightforward. But that is how to remove something from your watch list here on TradingView. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.